All right, so after owning this truck for about 2 months, I love having the tailgate step. I do, however, hate having the handle in the tailgate. The handle itself is somewhat useful. The design that they had to do around the plastic cap for the rest of it is a pain in the butt for loading and unloading. So I'm going to attempt something today. Everything appears to be the same. I can't find any videos out there, so figured I'd make one and see if anyone else is interested in doing the same thing. So I've taken out the 8 bolts that attach this tailgate protector down, and that's just a 5/32 Allen wrench. Took all those out. All the holes appear to be the same. I bought this online, and I'll post a link in the description, as I always do, to where that was purchased. So we're going to attempt to get this cover off. Again, after you take out those 8 bolts, you have some of the push pins, just kind of like what goes in any kind of door trim or anything like that, that are randomly throughout the tailgate. You'll pop those out, and then this plastic trim piece comes loose. So give me a second and I'll see if we can manipulate this around the handle and then look and see if this is going to work or not. Okay, so manipulated the plastic tailgate protector off around that handle. This is what it looks like underneath. So next we're going to get looks like 2, 4, 6 holding that on. We'll get that removed and then see if that plate lines up. So give me a second. All right, so it appears that it will work. So the only issue is this trim right here. As you can tell, whenever that plastic cap is in there, it covers all the way up to here. And that really doesn't bother me, getting rid of that gargantuan thing. So this year I'm gonna do a Raptor liner, bed liner, over this one, and then also do the tailgate, so the black on red really doesn't matter. But give me a second and I'll get this buttoned up and we'll verify that everything works as it should. Okay, so here's the factory bolts. Came out of the other one. They do have a sleeve on the bottom. We'll see if that works or not. Let's try, figure it out. Get the next one down. And I don't think that is gonna work. No, so it will require different bolts. But I can go ahead and get it all put in there. We'll find the right bolts. So the shoulders that are on there are meant for that plastic trim, and so I'll have to find bolts that actually fit the 99 to 07. Okay, so the last part of this video, minus getting this Raptor lined, is these bolts. So these are the factory bolts that went through the plastic cap that also obviously had the handle built into the tailgate that we're replacing. So let's take out one of these that are just hand tightened. That's the difference. So these just came in, Ford part, and I'll post links to all this. Give me a second, I'll get these put in. Again, now for Raptor liner, and this process is complete. So that's how you can swap out your factory tailgate handle. You can still retain the step without the grandpa handle getting in your way of loading and unloading anything. So, you guys got any questions? Let me know. Be happy to help you out.